My name is Lakshan. I am from SP Robotics Puducherry community. I am studying in 8th standard in the study school. This is my ICC World Cup project. Working model of my project. When it's dark, the light automatically is on. And I have a no ball sensor which displays no ball and free hit. I have a wicket sensor. When the ball comes and hits the stump, it falls down and the IR sensor senses it and shows wicket on the LCD screen. And I have a 4 sensor which senses if it's a 4 and it shows super 4. And the child robot dances. I have a third umpire camera. And if it's a wicket, the umpire raises his hand. Thank you for watching my video.